the YouTube? It's your girl Christina. I'm back with another video. Oh, hey. How y'all doing, my mookabas? Okay, so first of all, y'all gonna see me drinking a lot of water today because I'm gonna make a video later for, my spicy site. And, in order to do that, you need a lot of water. Okay, hold on. OOTD, then it's time for the tea. It's time for all the tea. Like, okay. OOTD. Okay, let me stop. All right, anyway. So y'all already read the video, so y'all already know. Read the video. Y'all already read the title, so y'all already know the video finna be back. Okay, so, honestly, I play for both sides, as we know. But, so, y'all want to know, okay, Justina, like, you're telling men how to give, there's probably some men watching my, okay, anyway, you're telling women how to give head to please a man, but what about a man or a woman? Because, WLW, women love women. But, okay, so, I'm going to tell y'all tips how to give women head. Okay, because I'm sorry, a lot of y'all suck at it. And you know what? Not everybody, okay, but a lot of y'all suck at it. And it's just like, it be the people that are the worst at giving motherfucking head that thinks they're the best. And it's just like, oh, baby, unless you're a throat-goologist and have been told and have had a bunch of fucking stalkers, you ain't on this level, okay? All right, so guys, or women, because, WLW, I got y'all. Okay, so now the first hint is, okay, so personally, okay, so y'all know when y'all take y'all, and like put it in the, y'all really think y'all doing something? And it is a little something, but unless your tongue is like, unless you got one of them long, bodacious tongues, then it's enjoyable. But for the most part, that ain't really doing much. So let's start there. Stop doing it. All right, now. Okay, men. So listen, when I was in my first relationship, or women, I keep saying it. I had a girlfriend, right? And again, I didn't know I was good at eating until I had a girlfriend. And I was like, I didn't know I knew how to do that because I made her everywhere. She didn't even know her body could do that. She did not know her body could do that. She was in shock and she was embarrassed because she thought she urinated. And I'm like, oh no, baby, that's not what that is, baby. Okay, so anyway. All right, so the number one thing is so every woman is different, right? So when you are eating, right, number one thing is pay attention to her chest and her stomach, right? Pay attention to it moving up and down, because if it's moving up and down, she's breathing, trying to catch her breath. She likes it. Okay? 1. Pay attention to her body language. Pay attention to everything you do and how her body moves when you do it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I lick this spot. She twitches like this. Or don't do that. Don't do that for real. Oh my God, what if you in bed and you just start seizing? Okay, no, but for real. So you have to pay attention to her body, because pay attention to her sounds and the way her body moves, and you could read her body. It's the same thing with pleasing a man. You know what they like. Okay, so now you already know. You need to focus on the TILC. I'm going to spell it backwards. You need to focus on that, seriously, because it's just y'all be going around everything but the nub. And it's just you gotta do the nub too. Okay, sorry. All right, let me calm down. All right, so you need to okay, when you're on it, right, obviously, a lot of y'all just flick. You just flick the bean with your tongue, and it's just okay, that does a little something, but it ain't doing what y'all think it's doing. That's equivalent to a girl giving a man, and instead of she's just putting it in and out her mouth. You get what I'm saying? It's kind of similar. I'm trying to put it in your head so you can be oh, okay, so y'all can be oh, okay, I get that shit. All right, so what you gotta do is you have to lick and SUC stuff at the same time. You have to do the same time on the bean. On the bean, now do it on the bean. Don't do it everywhere else. Y'all be going like, no, don't do that like that. We don't like that. Like, I mean, it felt good a little bit, but it only feels good like toward the end when we're about to finish. When we're about to reach imagination. We're about to reach the big explosion, the big kablooey. You know, that's when it feels good toward the end. But other than that, yeah. So you have to look at the same time. And focus on the bean. Okay? Don't look over here. Don't look over here. Up here, down here. I mean, you can lick the Buddha down. You know, I'm not. Oh, we ain't talking about it. Okay, right. I saw that right here. The bean, okay? Yes. Now, so lick and suck at the same time. Start gentle, right? So you have to treat it like you're tongue kissing it, okay? And again, this is just what I do, okay? I've had bitches go crazy over me too, okay? Ex-girlfriend still watching me. And a few other girls I hooked up with, but we ain't gonna get it. Sorry, ladies. I love you. Y'all get treated better than I treat this. You're welcome. For real, because I'm a girl. All right, no, but for real, so like it's like at the same time, you have to treat it like you're tongue kissing it, okay? If y'all don't know how to tongue kiss, let me know. I'll do a video on that too, because you know what? Okay, So you have to tongue kiss it, slow, soft, like make love to it, okay? Make love to it, soft, gentle. Then as time goes off, then you go a little harder, okay? You look a little harder, you suck a little harder, all right? That matters. Now, another tip is so your fingers, right? We all know the come here, you know, that, okay? So that kind of works, but what I notice feels better if you kind of just slightly curve, right? Slightly curve, push on her stomach as you're doing all three things. You have to be able to multitask, my nigga. You gonna have to be able to multitask, okay? All right? Now, remember, I make girls do things their bodies didn't know that they could do. All right? So, and I'm a girl. Like, I please myself more than that. Okay, sorry. All right, so you have to do that, right? Curve your fingers a little bit, right? I notice, like, I kind of do like that. Like, I don't do like the come here. Like, no, I kind of just like that. You know what I'm saying? And then I push down on the stomach at the same time. When you're pushing down on her stomach and doing that, I don't know what that combination does, but I be ready to throw a brick through my nigga house. Like, on God. Seriously. Like, I really be ready to fight. If you try to leave me because you ain't finna lick me like that and then just go on. I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna replace you by tomorrow. But anyway, so, seriously, push down on her stomach as you're doing that, and then do the lick and suck thing that I just said at the same time. Watch how she acts. Now, men, or WLW, I'm telling y'all right now. WLW stands for women who love women, okay, if y'all don't know. Okay, I'm telling you right now, she gonna be blowing up your phone, okay? She gonna be, and a lot of men don't know this. I've only had one person do that shit to me, do that combo to me, and oh my gosh, and I think it's because he was like older, like a lot older, so he's been eating for a while now. So I think that's why, but I was just, most men don't know this. They don't, and they don't do it. I'm telling you, do that combo. Watch how crazy she gets over you. Okay? So remember what I said. Don't do nothing else, you know? And add some stuff in, like, okay, so women, they're very sensual, right? They're very sensual. They're really like, we like getting touched and caressed and stuff like that. So, like, when you're, you know, eating your meal. Sorry. When you're eating your meal, you know, like, your hands. Put your hands right, put your hands right here while you're eating it. These are all sensitive spots, okay? And all that goes into us finishing. And this is part 1. And I just dropped the gem for part 1. So you better, part 2. Oh, yeah, part 2. Part 2, she gonna be plotting. She gonna want you to get her pregnant. Don't do that. There's enough baby daddy and baby mama. We gotta end that shit. It starts with us. Like, but yeah. And that's it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Is there any drama? You know, it's the same old shit. Same old shit. You know, stalkers bothering me. Different ones every day. And I'm just like, yo, can y'all niggas leave me alone? Please. And I think they have to have a group chat or something. Because it's like they all do it at the same time. Like, I'm at 6 stalkers now. We need to do better, guys. We need to do better. We need to do better. Or you can't find nobody better than me. Okay, sorry. I put all day. But yeah, basic, simple, you know, happy, thriving, had to get Easter, you know, spent it with my family, made some fried chicken, some baked mac and cheese, like, we played games, we drank. I got toe up, baby. I got toe up. Yeah, I had an amazing Easter weekend. And yeah, life is good right now. I'm gonna go see my sugar daddy tomorrow. And you already know that's my favorite. He my favorite. He the only. He's still the only, guys. I haven't bounced on another pipe. I'm dead ass because I'm not in the mood. I genuinely just don't have time. Like, my life is elevating and shit is growing and changing fast. So, like, I don't have time for love. I don't have time for relationship. I don't have time for no nigga because it's just gonna distract me at the end of the day. I don't need no. No. I had my fun. I will. When I move, oh, it's up. And that's coming soon. And I'm going to vlog all that. But it's up. I already know I'm going to have a good fucking time. But you know what? I don't know. I say that now. But guess what's coming? Summer. This is my last summer out here. This is my last summer out here. Okay? So you know I'm going to do my big one before I leave. I have to do my big one before I leave. Everybody hide your nigga. I'm just kidding. I hate bitches like that. Hide your nigga because we on the loose. Your mouth is loose. That's why you get popped in it. Stop going after bitches that niggas that got bitches. You thirst bucket. All the dick in the world. Why you going after? Come on now. But anyway, I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in my next video.